Alright, so here we are, Jug Mountain Ranch, my favorite golf course in Idaho. Here with my buddy Steve. And today, we're playing some golf. And we're playing for money, alright? It's $5 a hole, carryovers. I haven't hit a golf club in a year, but I think my sheer athleticism is gonna beat Steve, who's been practicing.
See if you could putt.
Who's been practicing, so. Here we go, hole one, Jug Mountain. Okay, so my first two shots might have been out of bounds. So I am down $5 on hole number one, for sure. Get it? Par. And we are now back to even. Oh, thank you.
Roll back.
Ooh, I got some work.
I couldn't do that the first time. Is it over? Shit.
Like, not like that. Fuck. You see, the reason I like golf is it's a lot like hiking. You're just kind of hanging out in nature, playing around. I was just saying, golf is a lot like hiking, Steve. It's just a walk out in nature with a little physical activity added.
And a little competition.
A little competition with yourself. It's kind of a sport. Right? So golf is kind of a sport, kind of a skill, same as backpacking. So it's really not that different.
Are you kidding me? How?
The walk-off putt for the win, Steve.
All right, I think dinner's on me.
See what I mean? Pure athleticism won the day. and some good putting. Some good putting. I'm exhausted.